हे प्रभु, आपका नाम ग्रहण करते समय मेरे नयन अश्रुधारा से, मेरे मुख पवित्र वाणी से और मेरा शरीर प्रभावरी से व्याप्त होगा। इसी प्रकार साधक अत्यंत दीनहीन होकर के भगवान के निकट प्रार्थना भी करते रहते। जैसे भगवता प्रसंग में हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे थे, ये भाव उदित होने पर।
So we were hearing about the way and the bhav manifested in the heart of the sadhak. So there are three kinds of internal symptoms and the 9 kinds of external symptoms. We have heard about that. Where Bhagavad Prapti Abhilasha, Bhagavad Prapti Swaharth Abhilasha. These are the internal symptoms. And then after that we will discuss about Chanti, Asha, Bandhu, Samutyagi, the 9, etc. So in somebody's heart, the spot of the bhav has manifested. So these all 9 kinds of symptoms seems in the body of that sadhak. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing further at the bhavavastha. So there are many kinds of realizations comes in the body of sadhak. So the external transmission that reveals the heart emotions, bhavs, are called anubhavs. Just like dancing, rolling on the ground, vibhuti, singing, so loud crying, breathing in the body, roaring, yawning, breathly having. So these are all kinds of the symptoms of weak scenes in the body of the sadhak. So there are Astasatha Vikara Bhavas, which is called Stamba, Sweda, Romancha, Swarana Veda, Kampa, Vivarana, Ashru and Pralaya. So we have heard how all these things, so now we are just describing a little bit overview.
दूसरे चारों भूतों को अर्थात भूमि, जल, तेज और आकाश के साथ यानी पंचम भूत के रूप में अवस्थित करता है। कभी कभी सप्रधान होकर अर्थात वायु प्रधान होकर जिसके शरीर में विचरण करता है।
Hindi broadcast is also available. You can check there. Hare Krishna.
भूमिस्थ होता है तो स्तंभ, जब प्राण भूमि के जल मिट्टी के जैसे स्पर्श शरीर जो मिट्टी।
हाँ, so we have the body mud in the earth in our body. So when it is touches, so that is stamba. When we take the shelter or adding of the water, Tej, that's Vaivarana,
विवर्ण और श्वेत
Sweat,
पसीना
Pasina, the
लक्षित होता है।
sweat the pasina.
वो जब आकाश के स्पर्श करता है तब वो मूर्छा होता है।
When it touches to the
जब सप्रधान वायु का
sky
आश्रय
or
करते हैं तब मंद मध्यम तीव्र भेद से रोमांच कंप और सर्दी भी प्रकाशित होता है। कभी धीरे से होता है और कभी जोर से।
sometimes very slowly or sometimes very hard. Like means very slowly and then fast. It happens.
आश्चर्य विषाद एवं अमर्ष खेद क्रोध ग्लानि के कारण पाप आदि रहित जड़ता स्तंभ कहा जाता है।
This is called the stambha.
भय और क्रोध आदि के कारण शरीर की आर्द्रता अथवा पसीना से जब
When
क्रोध उत्पन्न होता है
anger manifests in the body, when somebody have the cause of anger,
हर्ष भय और क्रोध से कारण
so
शरीर की आर्द्रता व पसीना निकलता है।
so the sweating comes out from the body. When somebody is very joyful, so also or fear, so sweats comes out from the body.
कभी-कभी रोमांच रोमावली की खड़ी होता है।
Or sometimes somebody is fearing, so the hair stands off the body, and which is called goosebumps. Sometimes in the somebody is so much joyful, so in that case, tears comes out from the eyes. So there are two reasons when tears comes out from the eyes. Like somebody is when so much happy, so in that case he can cry, and somebody is so much sorrow, in the deep sorrow, so he ashrugaram hota hai. And in that case also the tears comes out from the eyes. When somebody is happy, so when he is crying and the joyfulness, so that kinds the tears of the eyes are warm, and when somebody is that's cold, and when he is in the deep sorrow, so that time the tears are warm. So that time this Ashtasattvic bhav
दीप्त उद्दीप्त तथा सुदीप्त रूप में प्रकाशित होता है।
okay.
इस सात्विक भाव के ऊपर ही
So these sattvic bhavs has manifested in 5 stages of intensity according to the progressive gradation of sattva. So we have heard about all these things yesterday very nicely, and now you are hearing very nicely. उसको कहा जाता है धूमायन.
दो अथवा तीन होने से जो सात्विक भाव उदित होता है
ज्वलित.
जलित कहा जाता है। 2 से 3 जब हो जाता है
So that Deepta,
3 से 4
and the 3 and 4, that is Udipta, Udipta,
और एक ही साथ
and at the one time all the 8 sattvic bhav happens in the, उसको कहा जाता है सुदीप्ता. That is called the Sudipta Mahadabhav. So that Sudipta Mahabhav is only can see in the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body or Radharani. So at the same time, so all Ashtasattvic Vigar cannot become in anybody's body. It is very rare. Sudipta Mahabhav is describing here. So it is at the one time all Ashtasattvic Vigars comes in the body of sadhak. So it is not possible that for any ordinary person. Like it is only possible for Mahaprabhu and Radharani. So after that I described. So in his spiritual body, the living entity is a transcendental servant of Krishna. When attachment to service or dasarati arises, the jiva deems his material designation insignificant.
किंतु
तो नितिन परमानंद
परमानंद
गोपी भर्तु पद कमलयोर दासा दासनुदास
नाहं विप्रो
I am not a Brahman, I am not a Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra,
तथा ब्रह्मचारी
nor I am a Brahmachari, Grasta, Vanaprastha or Sannyasi.
मैं सतत
My
प्रकाशमान निखिल
My soul nature is that of a servant of the Vaishnavas, who are the servant of the lotus feet of Sri Radha Vallabha, the maintainer of the gopis. He is naturally effulgent and complete ocean of bliss. That's why I am the Das and the Das and the Das.
सिद्धि सिद्ध देह में जीव और प्राकृतिक कृष्ण दास
So in the transcendental,
मैंने एक दिन कहा था
I told you one day, in the spiritual body, the Siddhi, that the living entity is the Krishna Das.
पंचों उपासना दिखाई
There are Panchopasana, right?
प्रकृति उपासना
There are 5 kinds of worship. There are 5 kinds of worship. Shiva. Oh, he is pet.
पांच प्रकार की जो है
There are 5 kinds of upasana. Oh, एक बार मेरे को recording करनी है.
उपासना पंचोपासना शास्त्र सौर सौर शास्त्र गणपत्तर शैव आदि 5 प्रकार सूर्य की उपासना करने वाले की कहते हैं सौर
So there are 5 kinds of worship, like who are worshipping the Surya.
उपासना करते
Who are worshipping the Surya, they are called Saurya.
सौर
Saurya. They are called the Saurya.
क्या बोला सूर्य की जो उपासना करते हैं सांकर की उपासना उसको क्या कहते हैं
Saura.
गणेश की जो उपासना
Who was worshipping the Ganesh, they are called Ganpatya.
शक्ति की जो उपासना
Who are worshipping the Shakti or Devi worship demigoddess, so they are called Shakta. Devi Durga.
तो ये पंच प्रकार के
So these are the Panchopasana. This is called the Panchopasana, the 5 times of worshipping. Who are worshipping of Vishnu,
वैष्णव का
they are called Vaishnav.
पांच प्रकार की उपासना
How many happen?
किंतु विष्णु की उपासना ही श्रेष्ठ माना जाता
So the topmost worship is of Vishnu.
है
So they Shiv,
शिव की उपासना
Shiv, Surya,
गौर शैव शाक्त गणपत और
Vishnu.
वैष्णव
5 no? Surya, Ganpati, Shiva. Yeah. They are called Shiva, no?
किंतु वास्तव रूप में
So in fact the topmost upasana is
विष्णु की
Vishnu.
उपासना करने वाले एक क्या कहा जाता है
Vaishnav.
वैष्णव का
So who are worshipping the Vishnu, they are called Vaishnav.
वैष्णव भी दो प्रकार की
There are 2 kinds of Vaishnav.
वैष्णव
One is Vidya Vaishnav and second is Shuddha Vaishnav.
वैष्णव
Vidya Vaishnav. Who are Vidya Vaishnav?
जो भगवान विष्णु के तो आराधना करते
They are worshipping the Bhagwan Vishnu.
हैं तो भगवान विष्णु के क्या सोचते हैं ये कर्म के अधीन
And they think that he is according to under the karma.
बद्ध जीव
He is just like the Baddha Jeev in this world, according to the previous births. So according to their previous births karma, so he is getting suffering or enjoying in this material world. In the same way, they think like that Vishnu is under the karma. So
अपने कर्मों के
so he has to suffer. Yes, he will suffer according to his karma. That's why it is called the Vishnu Karmadi.
ऐसे लोग कहा जाता है
This is called the Vidya Vaishnava. these are called the Vidya Vaishnava. Vidya.
विद्ध वैष्णव ये वास्तव में एक प्रकार मायावादी विचार
So this is the Mayavad philosophy, which is true, which is wrong, which is impure views. And who are the Shuddha Vaishnava?
भगवान की
So
प्राकृत
so thinks that Bhagwan is transcendental. Bhagwan is transcendental and they are serving like that. So Bhagwan is free from Janma, Mrityu, Jara, Vyadhi. He is, that's why Bhagwan Chame Divyam. That's why Bhagwan is saying in the Gita, Janma Karma Chame Divyam. According to Tattva, my Janma Karma is who knows about my Janma Karma. They after the death they come to my abode. Who understand me that my Janma and my birth and the death is transcendental. So they come to my abode. So some people used to worship of Vishnu, but they think that Vishnu is according to the karma. He has to suffer according to the karma. So it means they are worshipping of Vishnu, but still they are still worshipping the Vishnu, but they are not Vaishnava. They are with the Vaishnava. They are not the Shuddha Vaishnava, the pure Vaishnava. What is my mean to say they are Panchopasana? So what is my mean to say here? That the person who was Panchopasana. So actually the Jiva is Vishnu Das, Krishna Das, Ram Das. Mami Vansho Jiva Sanatana. In the Gita, Bhagavan is saying all the Jivas, living entities, are my part and parcel. Actually, we are, somebody is serving Surya or worshipping Surya. Pita nahi. Surya is not our object. Actually, he is not. We are not the Suryadas. If we are serving Shiva, worshipping Shiva, so Jiva is not the Shivadas. Yes, Krishna's Das. Jiva is Krishna Das, Vishnu Das. All the living entities are the Krishna Das, Vishnu Das. Very nice. Who is the father of Jagat, of this word, Vishnu? So, these kinds of Jagat Pita Vishnu or Bhagwan Vishnu, who are not serving them, so they are called Pitradrohi. Pitradrohi means who are against the father. So it has been seen. So now you can may ask a question. So in this world, many material people are asking, worshipping so many demigods. Why? They are worshipping Shiva. That's we are calling them Shiv. So they are worshipping the Shakti, that is Shakt. So they are worshipping the demigod is like Durga and Kali. So are worshipping the Shakti, the power. They are called Shakt. Who are worshipping the Ganesh, they are Ganapatya. And who are worshipping the sun, they are called Saura, Vaishnav. So there are 5 points. But actually the fourth, other than except Vishnu or Vaishnav, Saura, Sakta, Ganapatya, Shiv. So these 4 are, we are not the Das of them. We are not the Shiv Das, we are not the Surya Das, we are not the Ganesh Das, we are not the Shakti Das, we are the Das of Vishnu. We are the Krishna Das. Do you understand? So the people who are worshipping the other demigods, so that Bhagavan is saying in the Gita, Kamaste Hita Jnanam. Bhagavad Gita,
भगवान करते हैं
Bhagwan is saying, "Hey Arjun, listen to me please. In this world, there are many kinds of people worshiping of different demigoddesses and demigods. So why they are worshipping of them? Just because of their desires.
काम तब ज्ञान उसके ज्ञान क्या होता है
So their knowledge is destroyed.
ज्ञान प्रवर्तन्ते अन्य देवता इसलिए अन्य बहुत देवता के पास
Their knowledge has been destroyed. That's why they are going to other demigods and demigoddesses.
किंतु देखो वही देवता
So what happened? These all the demigods and demigoddesses, they when they are worshipping this, so one day that then all these worshipper will come to me, my feet. Just like there is a story of Gopal Das. किसकी story? Gopal Das. किसकी story है?
गोविंद दास
Govinda Das. There is a story of Govinda.
गोविंद दास
Story of Govinda Das.
और उन्होंने क्या कहा
What is that?
देवी ने क्या कहा
They are worshipping our Devi. So they say, oh look,
जितने भी देव देवियां
so we are so many Devi Devsa like demigods and Devi. We can give the three varga, dharma, artha, kama. Three varga, dharma, artha, kama. We can give dharma, artha, kama. We cannot give you the mukti.
दादी दशरथी मुकुंद
Mukti datati yasiti mukundam.
यदि मुक्ति चाहते हो
If you want the mukti,
मुकुंद भगवान
you have to worship Bhagwan Mukunda.
भजहुरे मनम
Shri
श्रीनाथनंदनम
Indare, oh bhajau re man Shri Nandanan.
इसके बाद भेज दिया गोविंद के पास
So that's why who will give you the mukti? Only Govinda.
देव देवियां
So there are many kinds of Dev Devtas. Many people are worshipping other.
तमहं भजामि
Govindam Adipurusham
तमहं भजामि गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं
Tamaham bhajami Govindam
आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि
Even Ganpati, the Ganeshpati, the who provides the siddhi, who gives the siddhi,
सिद्धि देने वाले गणेश जी भी
he also worships.
आदि धन आदि देते हैं
Who gives the siddhi?
कहाँ से देते
So from where he is giving to the siddhi?
भगवान
From Bhagwan Narsingadev, Bhagwan Shri Hari.
भगवान श्री गोविंद से
He takes all the power from the Bhagwan Hari and gives to their
कोई देव देवी है
yeah. In spontaneous separately, he doesn't have so much power to give anything. Ganesh. Ganesh? Yes.
इसलिए ब्रह्म संहिता में
So that's why in the Brahma Samhita there is very clarified that who are worshipping of the Ganpati, so indirectly they are getting all the fruits from the Krishna.
गणेश की स्तुति है
There is a Ganesh Stuti in the Brahma Samhita, where it is mentioned, like I have heard this Brahma Samhita, I have read this, so where it is mentioned
जब गणेश जी
when Ganesha
प्रणाम करते हैं
is doing the offering pranam to so Bhagwan Vishnu,
गोविंद
Govinda, Nrsingadev, he's अपने चरण रख रहे हैं.
दोनों चरण रख
Yes, he's putting his both feet on his shoulders.
इसी को भगवान से
So that's why they are here getting the siddhis from the Bhagwan for providing to their bhaktas, like devotees, not devotees, worshipper. Yad pad pallavam
विधाय कुंभ दंडे प्रणाम समये सकनाधिराज विघ्नान् व्यन्तुम् अमलासं जगत्त्रयस्य
Govinda Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham
Vajami Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Vajami.
So this is very clarified here. Yat Pada Pallam Gam.
विधाय कुंभ संदे प्रणाम समय सगनाधि राज विज्ञान यंत अमल अमरस जगत त्रयस्थ गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम
So Brahma, Ganpati is,
अरे वही
or Brahma ji is saying himself that the Ganpati,
भगवान जब गणेश जी
when Ganpati,
स्वयं भगवान विष्णु की स्तुति
so he worship himself, Bhagwan Vishnu. So at that time, when he doing the Dandvat Pranam, so at that time Bhagwan himself, the Govinda, he put their both feet, lotus feet on his shoulders. That's why it is saying Yatpad.
विधाय कुंभ दंदे प्रणाम समय सगनाधिराज प्रणाम समय सब गणाधिराज
Ganadiraja. Ganesh ji, the Ganpati, the Ganesh ji, when he is doing pranam, so for destroying all the vignas, the hardships, so what Bhagwan did that time, so he keeps his feet, lotus feet on his shoulders. Okay, take the siddhis, and then the taking, and then he is providing the siddhis to their devotees, to their worshipper. Tamaham bhajami. So I worship the Purusha Govinda, who is Puran Prasiddha, who is Ganadhiraj Ganesh, so who is pranaming, who is doing pranam to the lotus feet of Bhagwan and taking the feet of Bhagwan, lotus feet on their shoulders. And after taking the shoulders and getting the siddhi from Bhagwan, he is providing the siddhi from three loka. So I worship all that Govinda Vadi Purusham Bhagwan. I do my Bandavat Pranam to that Bhagwan Govinda Vadi Purusham. So in this way it is saying in this material world, the worldly people, they worship so many demigods and demigoddesses. Why? In the Gita, Hritagyanam Kamastesha Hritagyanam Prapatade Anya Devata. Oh, you know? So in which is my favorable, which is not favorable, they are not able to decide. So that's why they are worshipping different kinds of demigods and demigoddesses. So that's why it is saying here in the Gita Bhagwan is saying the same thing. Arjuna asks, if you are the topmost, then why you are worshipping the other demigods and demigoddesses? If you are the topmost, wherever they go, they used to worship. Every day demigods and demigods cannot give anything free independently. So from where he is taking? So why you are not directly asking for the Bhagwan? But accepting Bhagwan, they goes to the different kinds of demigods and demigoddesses. Devi Deva, Goddess. So what's my mean to say? Jeev, the living entity, is the he is a Vishnu Das. That's why it is saying Jiva Swarupa by Krishna Aditya Das. Transcendentally, he is Bhagwan Das, Krishna Das. So wherever you go to the Devi Devas, until you have to come to the feet of Bhagwan, Krishna. Except Krishna, nobody can give you the mukti. That's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam there are many kinds of upakhyan. What happens? Jai Guru. So that's why it is saying Naham Vipro na. Dasa dasa dasa. राधे राधे जय हो श्री गुरुदेव की जय। So Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, I am not the Brahman, I am not the Kshatriya Vaishya Shudra. Even I am not the Grasta nor Vanprastha. I am not a Brahmachar, nothing. Who am I? I am the Paramananda Purva Brahma, Purnamrata, Sri Radha Vallabh Das. I am the servant of him. I am Das and a Das and a Das. I am the servant of the servant of the servants of Radha Vallabh. This is the identification of our jivas. Because while performing bhajan, jiva, he will realize this gradually. So before that, who are performing the bhajan of demigods and demigods, let them do. Na buddhi vedam janeshu. If somebody is worshipping demigods and demigoddesses, don't criticize. Do not stop them. Do not criticize him. Hari is our Aradhya, Ishtadeva. And other demigods, Das. And other demigods and demigoddesses are the servant of Bhagwan. Brahma, Rudra, Shiva and others, we should never criticize them. Because they all are the obedient servant of Bhagwan. So Bhagwan has given the work, so they are following that. They are following that duty, destruction. So the work of Shivji is destroy, and Brahmaji's work is creation. Ganeshji giving the Riddhi Siddhi. So that's why Surya, Vayu, fire and Agni Dev, all the Devi Devtas has given the work. Bhagwan has given them work. They given them places and the designation. Please get that part. Get that designation. And what accordingly? And what Bhagwan did? So he's controlling everyone, but still, what he's always in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan, he is doing his leelas with the gopis very nicely. He has given work to everybody. Now he is free from work. Now he is enjoying. He is enjoying. He is enjoying with the gopis very nicely. Very good. Bahut badhiya Bhagwan. Very nice. Sometimes the other Devi gods are not able to work. So what happened? Just like Brahmaji is not able to creation. So and he is not finding any jeev like that who can do the create, who can get the designation of Brahma, Hiranyagarbha, Brahma. So Bhagwan take the responsibility as a Hiranyagarbha. When Shivji is not, there are not kind of, we are not getting the, Bhagwan is not getting any designation of Shivji like. So he take this path and Sadashiv, then he became in the Sadashiv form. In this way, he does all the works. What Bhagwan does?
अपने अंश कला आदि
So
अनेक जो है
he has manifested his so many forms, and in incarnation,
स्वयं रूप में जो ब्रजेंद्र नंदन
so Swayam Brajendandan Shyam Sundar is always in the Golok Vrindavan, enjoying it peacefully with the Gopi Purusham, with the gopis. That's why I sing Gopinda Madhi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami.
देवी के दुर्गा को ले जाओ इस संसार में जो क्या बनो कर्ता बन जाओ कर्ता समझना है दुर्गा के दुर्गा के रक्षा नियंत्रण करना
Control. So he has given the duty to Durga, so to
रक्षा करने
control the all the Durga. This is Durga means the Kila means fort.
मेरा भजन नहीं करता है
So the Jeev who is not worshipping me, who is not performing my bhajan, it is chastised with them. So that's why she became at the form of Maya, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, and in the form she is.
नचाते रहो
We are dancing according to the Maya.
आप लोग देखें
Maybe you soon you have the yes in the Gita.
70 रजतम
Sattva, Rajas, Tama. So he has given to the Jivas,
लेकर के
and then
और आरक्षित रूप में वो क्या करते हैं
so we are in that time we are just like a puppet.
डोरी के लगाते हैं
So puppet is playing according to the thread. So in the same way we are all working according to the Maya. Oh, chastise the Jivas and reform him. Make my devotee. If somebody is not working, doing my bhajan, reform them. अरे भैया ओ गुप्ता जी वेयर आर यू ओ गुप्ता जी आर यू स्लीपिंग नो वेयर इज नोटबुक ओ आनंद जी अभी जस्ट कीपिंग माय कॉपी नोटबुक अरे यार इतनी देर से ध्यान नहीं है गुप्ता जी को So what I mean to say, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, so Jeev, the living entity, is the transcendental servant of Krishna. He is not the Maya Das, Krishna Das. Jeever is Swarup Bhai, Krishna Nitya Das, Krishna Tatastha Shakti Vedavai. So the living entity is actually a servant of transcendental Shri Krishna Das, Krishna Chandra. Wow. So Bhagwan, Shri Krishna alone is Ishvara, the supreme controller, and all the others his servants. They dance as he makes them to do so. The living entity who is bound by the Maya identify himself with the temporary material body of a woman or a man and various other designations. This is the cause of our sorrow. This is the so yes, we are getting freedom of choice. Whatever the freedom, independence we have, so we are misusing that. Bhagwan has given one thing to Jiva, that is independence. But being that independency, still he is not. He is getting this, that freedom, but still he is bound. Paratantra. He is bound. Jeev is not spontaneously free, just like a cow is tied with a 10-meter rope. Okay, and given so many beautiful green grass to her, but that cow, so she can walk and she can walk within 10-meter radius. 10 meters long, she can walk, sit, eat, whatever she wants she can do. But after beyond the 10 meters she cannot go out. So she can do anything within the 10 meters. So she has the independency within the 10 meters only. Exactly. So she can do everything. inside the 10-meter range. So that's why Jeev is independent, but still it is bound. He is Partantra. He is uncontrolled. He is in the control of Bhagwan. So when we misuse this independency, then Maya, what Maya does is to chastise us, chastise the jivas. Our so we had to serve Bhagwan, but not why we are not serving Bhagwan. So that's why Maya is chastising us. We have forget our nature, tendency of service. So the living entity who is bound by the Maya himself with the temporary material body of a woman or man or various other designations. So we are define this this body, that I am this, I am lady, I am gents, I am man. So we are giving the identification of this body. But I am the Das of Bhagwan. This is the identification of the jivas. Is the transcendental. However, with this lotus mother Shri Gaur Sundar, the incarnation of Kali Yuga and savior of all fallen souls, instructing the human beings torments by the Kali, he said that we are not bound by social classes, varnas such as Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra, nor by brahmacharis or other stages of life, ashrams. Our pure identity is Gopi Bhartyu. We are not the sannyasi actually. We are not the grasta. That's why Mahaprabhu is saying what? Rai Raman said, Swadharma Ashram is Varna Ashram Dharma. When somebody is following the all Varna Ashram Dharma, so Bhagwan please happy. Bhagwan is happy. Swadharma Nijne Shriya Paradharmo Bhaya Bhaya. Mahaprabhu said, Yehovajya, it is external. Yehovajya, it's external. Swadharme Nijne Shriya Paradharmo Bhaya Bhaya. You know? You know this shloka? So after following the Varnashram Dharma, so Bhagwan get pleased. But if somebody is doing following the Varnashram Dharma like sannyasi, grasta, vanaprastha, so Bhagwan get pleased with this, because Bhagwan is saying Chatur Varnam Maya Shishta. Bhagwan said in the Gita, Chatur Varnam Maya Shishta. So I have created these 4 Varna ashrams. So everybody has to follow these all 4 Varna ashram. Is it true? It happens. Bhagwan get pleased if somebody is following all these Varna ashrams. But actually Jeev is the transcendental servant of Krishna. Until we are not accepting the Shuddha Bhakti or following the Shuddha Bhakti, until we cannot get Bhagwan. So that's why it is saying here. So the true identity of the living entity is Gopi Padvipat Gopi Dasanudas. So our pure identity is Gopi Bhartyu Padakamalyo Dasana Dasanu Das. So Gopi is Bharta. So the servant, the maintainer of the gopis, Bharta, the maintainer of the gopis. So we are the servant of the servant of the servant. Tadvitra Tadvitra Vitra So because the living entity is conditioned, he receives a new body according to the previous lives, desires and impressions, sanskar, and this takes birth and again varnas. Yesterday I told you that the impression, what happens with that. So we take birth, after it leads us with birth by birth. So the designation that attains after that is according to the karma. So he got the new body. So according to the karma, he is getting new body. The man's body, woman's body, how they are getting. So according to their desire and the sense impression. So according to our desires, we are getting these kinds of ladies or woman's body and the man's body. So if you are remembering the ladies, so what you will get? You will get the lady's body. And if you are remembering Purusha, the man, so you will get the man's body. So that's why it is a Upakhyan of Bharat Maharaj. Maharaj, he was so much higher stage, but he was Bharat Maharaj, Jada Bharat. So he was so much attached with the deer. So what he got the body? He got a deer body. In next birth, there is a Puranjani Upakhya. There is a very nice Upakhya, very beautiful katha is there, very interesting katha. In the Puranjan, he was a Purush. Puranjani, he was so much attached with the Puranjani, with the lady. Puranjan. So next day, what he got? He got the Puranjani body, the lady's body. So this is what saying. So where you are attached, you will get the same result. So that's why do not attach with anyone. So Atma is pure. It's very pious, clean, but there is a Sushma. So we have above the soul there is a Sushma, the subtle body. So in the subtle body we have so many kinds of desires, vasana. So we got so many kinds of impression in our hearts. So according to that impression we are getting the gross body. So who are so many kami, the kami purush, they will get the monkey body. They are stupid nonsense. Too much. So too much engaged in the sexual activities. That's why they will get the monkey's body. Who are the kami purush? They are very so they got the monkey's body. Who are so much kami. Otherwise pigeon and pigeon. Kabulbur to bahut zyada kami. It is mentioned in the scriptures that the pigeon is so much kami, very very attached in the sexual activities. He is very rascal. That's why in the previous birth activities or impression, so according to their impression they get the birth in different bodies. So after the death, so they gets the body according to their karmas. So this all karma chakra is going on. This is called Tavad Maradam Shayanam. This is the what is the Param Chakra? Whatever the karmas you are doing, so according to the karma, so that kinds of karmas, desires always make an impression in your heart. Nothing else. So the impression, the desires you have, this all going on. So according to that you are getting body. So in the same way, after hearing the Bhagavad Katha, so what happened in your heart?
पवित्र निर्मल संस्कार
So there is a pure impression impressed in your heart that I serve to the Bhagwan. Shantadas, Sakya, Rasa, Vasalya or Madhurya. So they have this kinds of desire in their body, under their heart. So after hearing the Harikatha from the pure devotees, by hearing again and again, so this kinds of a desire will comes into the heart. Just like it is saying, Shri Rupa Manjari. Raghunadas Goswami in the Vilas Pushpanjali is writing this, that how beautiful the stuti is. Very, very nice feelings are there. Hey Rupa Manjari, you are serving the lotus feet of Radharani. Can I get the service? So can I get the service under your guidance? If this desire is good or not? Yes, very, very nice. So having this kind of desire that I would like to serve Radharani's lotus feet under the guidance of Rupa Anugattame, under the guidance of Rupa Manjari. Shri Rupa Manjari, Hey Rupa Manjari, I would like to get the service of feet service. I would like to get the service of the feet of Shri Radhika Rani under your guidance. So while we are hearing this katha again and again, so we get the greed in our heart, then it is a desire, and desire impression makes in, then we get the impression in our heart. Very nicely. Wow. First hearing, so hearing the greed, after the greed, so desire will come, and then the impression, sanskar. Chap. There is a impression comes into your heart. If you are hearing this katha, that how Srimati Radhika, she was sitting, she's sitting in a Koladesh of the lap of the Krishna. Radhaji was, and she was very tired and fatigued. So what happened? She has put both of her feet take out. Seeing that the Rupa Manjari is doing, so they are saying that the feet of Rupa Manjari, and they are serving the feet of the Radharani's feet very gradually. So Raghunadas Goswami is seeing this way, there is transcendental vision. So that's why they are saying, Hey Rupa Manjari, can I get this kinds of offer, chance to service of Radhika Rani lotus feet under your guidance? That's why he said, Sri Rupa Manjari. Wow, Bhakti Uttam, Hari Bol. These kinds of feelings we must have. After these kinds of feelings, we make our impression. This is saying. That's why here it is saying. So in this material world we get material bodies. So according to our desires, we get the new bodies. So we get different varnashrams. Somebody gets birth in the Brahman, some in the Neech Kul. So after that, according to the karmas, they get the body. So this is called the karma chakra. This is called the karma chakra. So the living entity realizes his pure form, the Shuddha Swarup, by taking shelter of the lotus feet of a bona fide guru, and thereby following the path of bhajan. That's why it is saying the Guru Diksha and Mantra Adi after chanting. When the serving of Guru, when a Jeev will serve the Guru, so by the mercy of Guru and Bhagwan, he will get the transcendental. He will get the mercy.
और नाम भजन करते करते
So that performing the Nam Bhajan,
फिर दूर होता है।
so the Deha Abhiman
नाम करते
will
करते
go away while performing the Nam Bhajan.
मान जो है
So we have this material logo that will be destroyed. So the transcendental, a pure spiritual mood then manifested, and
शुद्ध
he attains a pure transcendental body with which he can serve Krishna. So this body is also allowed with hands, legs, and so forth, just like the material bodies. So whatever the Surugat you have, which is called
अनुबंधी वृत्ति
in the
अनुबंधी वृत्ति जो है वो प्रकाश
so that Sarup Gat Vritti will be manifested in the heart.
अनुबंधी वृत्ति वो चलता है।
That will wake.
सर्वानुवृत्ति क्या जो आपके हृदय में जो जो पोटेंशियल है
So whatever the potential you have in your
और उसी
heart, so according to that bhavras, that will be nourished.
गुरु भगवान उसका को चेंज नहीं कर
So the Guru Bhagwan cannot change that.
जब जीव
When Jiva,
प्रशस्त शक्ति से प्रकट हुआ
he appeared from the manifested from the Tata Shakti, so by the wish of Bhagwan,
आपको पोटेंशियल है
he had a potency.
आपको वो सबको बात
दास्य साख्य वात्सल्य और माधुर्य. So this
गंगा के तट पर व जमुना के तट पर
at the bank of Yamuna, at the bank of Yamuna or Yamuna, if you are pouring, putting the seeds of mango or neem, so from the mango seeds, the mango tree and the mango fruit will come, and by the neem seeds, you will get the neem tree and the neem leaves.
नीम पौधा नीम पेड़ और नीम फल
Neem pada, neem phal. So there is no change. The water is same, but there is no change. So this is what is saying. Gaudiya Vaishnava, the principle of Gaudiya Vaishnava is established on this. Some Babajis used to people, Jaisa Sang Vaisa Rang. No, not possible. This is the wrong philosophy.
उसका हमारे आचार्य महात्मा ने इसको क्या
So that's why Khandit kiya. Our Acharya Path destroyed that. You know what Khandit.
नारद ऋषि किसको
Narad Rishi gave the song Dhruv Prahlad. Narad gave the association to Dhruv Prahlad, Pandav, Nakul, Sadev. What happened?
गोपियों को भी दिया
He gave the association to Gopis also. But he has given all the,
प्रहलाद महाराज
they get the all according to the rasas.
बनेगा
Prahlad Maharaj cannot be the Gopi. He got the association of Narad.
युधिष्ठिर पांडव आदि को जो
He gave the association. He heard,
बहुत वंश जगी
Pandavas heard by the
गोपी बन
Narad Rishi. So they wanted that they would like to be the Gopi, but it's not possible. They cannot be.
उद्धव भगवान की दारू के बाद मथुरा के लिए तो अपने परिकर
So Uddhav is a parikar of Bharkar. So seeing the glorification of gopis, and so Krishna glorified gopis before.
फिर वो राई माने मतलब ध्यान के साधन तो इससे हमें मिलेगा
So we won't get this like this. I'm not getting that.
गोपी भाव प्राप्ति करने के लिए किंतु हुआ ही
Somebody did the perform bhajan and sadhan for getting the gopi, but there was no potency, so that's why Uddhav or Brahma even didn't get the gopi.
की सेवा कर नहीं पाए
Brahma wanted to serve Radhaji, but he didn't get this. What Brahma did?
करने के लिए कहाँ गए बरसाना में
So Brahma ji went to Barsana. He became a Brahma Parvat there.
शिव जी
Shivji, very well. Nandagaon, Nandishwar Parvat. He is standing in the Nandishwar Parvat, form of the Nandishwar Parvat.
लालसा तो जगते हैं
So they have the desire, like that greed comes that I should serve Radharani, but so if there is not possible in that body. Uddhav was trying so much hard. He was trying the efforts.
स्तुति आदि किया
हाँ lower than the Kund. चलो भाई तुलसी लाओ. चलो भाई तुलसी लाओ. The time is going over. Uddhav Kunda. In the Uddhav Kund, Uddhav ji, there are many grass of Uddhav Kund, whatever else. It is one by one birth of Uddhav. One grass is a one birth of Uddhav. And there are many crore years he worshipped. He did the austerity there. Still, it's not possible. It's not possible in the Uddhav body. Show me. Lakshmi Devi is worshipping in the Talban, Bilban, sorry. But it's not possible for her too. Not this perfect. Whatever the Swarup they have, that. So what is Nityata means transcendental, Nityata, that eternal. You cannot change the potency of the jivas. One cannot change the potency of the jivas. So what's I mean to say that he has? When the jiva is manifested, created, so they have the potency, so it cannot be changed. After hearing in kirtan, so the whatever the swarup you have, that will be developed or nourished. Nitya Prem, Nitya Krishna Prem, Satika Baba ji takes a shilok. Just Sangati Punsanam. Sat Manivat. This shlok is not for the parmarthik. Just like if you are associated with a dushta, if you are associating with the alcoholic people, so you will be alcoholic. So this is a material example. So your mind body is changing, but the transcendental form, the Atma forms cannot only, the potency cannot be changed. This is my meaning to say. So that's why it is saying here. The Narad give the association to many peoples, many devotees, but he gave the same mantra to everybody. But nobody, everybody cannot be gopi. Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Jaiv Dharma Grantha describe these things very nicely. Everybody must read Jaiv Grantha, Jaiv Dharma. So Gurudev is writing here. In pure transcendental nature, Shri Krishna, okay. A pure spiritual mood of them and the name attained pure, transcendental body with which we can Krishna serve. So in pure transcendental nature, Shri Krishna is the only just like we have this material hand, leg and everything, all the senses we have, in the same way Atma have is their own body. Atma has his hand, his legs, his ears, his nose, everything is there. Are you getting that? Atma has everything. I have a little bit of a puppet of. Have you seen? No. I have a stick. What do you have? Atma Sharir. Ah. Gurudev have? Huh? So we have the Sushma Sharir, the subtle body. So we are getting this impression of the birth after birth after birth. So we, according to our impression, we are getting the body, this gross body.
सूक्ष्म शरीर में जो चिंतन आदि होता है
So whatever the realizations comes in our subtle body, so after that
वही स्थूल शरीर का
we get the same gross body according to our desires or the thinking, remembrance.
स्त्रियों के चिंतन करते
So if somebody is thinking about the ladies of women, so what happens? So they will get the woman's body because they have the impression of
शरीर छोड़ते हैं
when they leave the body, so they will get Stri Sharir, they will get the lady form. Yandan vapismrami tajjante khaliram. Have you heard this shloka?
ये तो भगवत भजन आदि प्राप्ति का
Yam yam vapismrami tajjante khaliram in the Gita. Eva. Very famous shloka. So according to our desires and remembering again and again the same thing, so we will get the same body according to our impression, this subtle body. So when we are going to transcendental abode, so our subtle body and the gross body will be destroyed. That is called a linga sharir. The sushma, the subtle body is the name of linga sharira. So Sthul Sharir, the gross body and the subtle body. Subtle body or Linga Sharir is same. Subtle body is another name is Linga Sharira. देखते और निकालो नियमो हेरी बे आगे क्या है ये क्या है भाई हाँ नयन हेरी बे नित्य चिदानंदमय ओ देखते देखते निकालो यार
আর ব্রজ গোপী ভাব হইবে স্বভাব অনভাব না রহিবে নিজ সিদ্ধ দেহ নিজ সিদ্ধ নাম নিজ রূপ আর রাধা কৃপা বলে লোভিব বা কবে কৃষ্ণ প্রেম প্রকরণ যমুনা সলিল আহরণে গিয়া বুঝিব যুগল রস আর প্রেম মুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায় প্রেম মুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায় গাইব রাধার যশ
Very nice kirtan is that. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, written by the Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
It's the last. It's the last.
समझ में केवल सत्संग आदि के द्वारा क्या होता है चित्त निर्मल हो जाता है और फिर भगवान और भगवान के चित्त परिकरों
So by the performing bhajan and satsang associations, so your heart will be clean, and then they will get a bhavarupi clean in their heart.
हमारे पास तो है
So you have this, but it's very minute potency, minute form, in a very minute form. So by the association of the Nitya Siddha Parikar, so are the Nitya Siddha Parikar of Bhagavan Radha, Lalita, Vishakha and others. So by the rays of love of there when when it will be pratifalit, yeah, like reflected in our heart, then it will happen. Then we will get our potency, and our potency will be nourishment. You have, but it is very in a minute form. You are not. It is unconscious mode. So that's what it is saying here. In pure transcendental nature, Shri Krishna is the only male. So now I'm going to finish. So performing Nam Bhajan. So the Jad Abhiman will be go away. So the living entities realize his pure form, Shuddha Sattva, by taking shelter of this lotus feet of bona fide Guru, and then for following the bhajan path of establishment. A pure spiritual mood then manifested and attains the pure transcendental body with which he can serve Krishna. This body is also, just like you have seen, we have seen so many things in our this material body. This is Panchabhautik Sharir, and that body is Teen. This is become by Panchadhatu. Teen Sachidanand. Sachidanand. Three Dhatu. Three Dhatu. Sachidanand. Very nice. Sachidanand. Sachidanand. Three Dhatu. Three Dhatu. Anand. Sachidanand. As Bhagwan form is Sachidanand, in the same way the Jeev is in your body is a transcendental. That is also transcendental. Sachidanand. Bhagwan is Brahad and a Jeev is Anu. Bhagwan is broad. Jeev is very minute. But they have all the indriyas. There's less like we have eyes. Atma have his eyes too. Everything is there. Jai Govind. So, Jai Govind, you must listen this lecture. So when you just like there is a seeds, and when you are pouring water and giving all the things, so what happens? There will be nourishment of that seeds, and so that's why by the association of the pure devotees, so whatever you have in your soul, so that will be nourishment, that will be nourished gradually. So in that way, the Shuddha Chitta Swabha, only one and only Shri Krishna is only. In the pure transcendental nature, Shri Krishna is the only male, and all jivas are female. Sri means the sevak. Just like there is a special quality in the lady, that Seva Brati, she has the potency of service. Just like in this material world we have seen, Purush have this kinds of ego that I am the enjoyer, and the Stri have this kinds of ego for giving the service, tendency of service. Oh, who's calling? Mummy. There is a special quality in the ladies. Isri is a giver. Resume. So if you are a big brother and you have an younger brother, so what happened? Okay, so your big brother never tell to your younger brother. He will say to the his sister to please bring me a glass of water. That young lady, the lady will serve to their brothers. This is the nature of the ladies, female. The younger brother will tell to the sister, and please bring me a glass of water. But the sister doesn't say to that younger brother, please bring me a glass of water, because it is natural. मेरी बहन तो मुझसे बहुत ऑर्डर देती है. My sister is giving me so much. This is the quality of this is the quality of a female. It is spontaneous. So they have the tendency of service. So the mother has the matratva gun. What is the matratva quality? Oh, this serving tendency. Purush have this kinds of ego that I am the enjoyer, I am the bhokta.
ये जड़ क्या
In the so I'm just giving you the example of this material world.
सेवा लेने के और सेवा
Giving seva and taking seva. Seva lena, seva dena. Taking service, giving service.
इसे करें
That's why it is saying,
शुद्ध चेत
in pure transcendental nature, Shri Krishna is the only male and all are the females.
और सभी
Females.
जीव के चित्त
Actually, in the structure of the jiva's heart, male and female characteristics do not exist. Yet, when embodied, the living entity naturally convinces of himself as a being male or female. So after performing the bhajan sadhana, they get the Shodade. So the jivas attain the pure body through the mediums of the sadhana bhajan. A person who is inclined towards the amorous mellows madhurya ras will perform sadhana bhajan under the guidance of rasika bhakti, and according to his own desire and constitutional nature, he will attain his spiritual form. Very mindful. चलो भैया तुलसी आरती. That's why it is saying sadhana bhajan.
केवल मात्र पक्क अपक्क विचार साधन में जैसे हम
So whatever one contemplates in sadhan, one will attain at perfection. So Dasanudas, no one has the qualification to enter in Madhurya Seva to Shri Yugal Kishore unless he is under the guidance of the Braj Gopis. By performing bhajan under the guidance of the Manjari Sakhis who are following those gopis, one can attain post of a maid servant. At the time of sadhan, one desires to have a mode of service to Shri Krishna according to the mode of the Braj Gopis. So mature, immature. In the Bhav Marg, you have to engage yourself in the guidance of any kinds of Nitya Parikar, Lalita Adi other Sakhis, and serve Shri Radha Krishna under the guidance of in the Shringar Ras Upasana. Just like it is saying here, Paladasi
राधिका पदे कलनी लाइबे असन से बासा मार पीबे असन से बासा मार पीबे असन से बासा मार पीबे हमारे लोइया कबे
अरे प्ले द मृदंग.
इस प्रकार भावना को व्यक्त करता.
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur expressing his feelings in this way. Shringara Sibodh, Shringara Pasupasana. So worshipping through the amorous mellows, one convinced of oneself of paramour, Parkya or Parodha. Paro means Parkya Bhav. Paroda. So Paroda means that I am the wife of someone else. This is called Paroda. I am the wife of someone else. Later. Paroda. You are Paroda? Who is Aroda? He will become Paroda. So some persons, although males, consider themselves to be the Lalitas or Vishakha. They adopt feminine attire, pose, Sakhis. Some people are saying the Sakhi Bhav. Their body, they have the male body, and they are putting the nose ring and putting the lipstick on the lips and say, "Oh, I am the Sakhi." When you go to the Govardhan Park, you will find so many Sakhis. They put on the saris, they will put on the bangles, and they say, "Oh, I am the Gopi. Call me Gopi." Why are you saying me male? I'm not male. I'm female. I'm Lalita. I'm Vishakha. So they have these kinds of feelings in their heart. They adopt feminine attire. So they are doing the offense in the feet of Lalita and other Sakis. Jeev You cannot be Lalita and other Sakis. I can be the Dasi of Lalita Saki, servant of the Lalita Saki, but you cannot be the Lalita, you cannot be the Roop Manjari, you cannot take that post. So these all Sakis are not the Jeev Koti. Parikar. These all are the Parikar. So these Sakis are not the Jeev Kotis, these all are the Kaibus of Srimati Radhika Rani. They are the Kaibu of Radhika Rani. Lalita Saki and other Sakis are the Kaibus of Srimati Radhika Rani. They are in the Parikar Tat. This is all described. So at the Sadhan Kala of Jeev, so under the guidance of the Sakis, they will serve the Radha Krishna. So they have this kinds of paroda. Gop Kishore. क्या फर्स्ट इज वन इज परोड़ा अनुड़ा आई भगवान अपस्विका मतलब who cannot give the birth of a child. Oh my God, 1 hour 20. So under the guidance of Shri, while performing Shringara Upasana, they have the Radha Krishna. But so they will get the Gopi Bhav. So attaining the Gopi Bhav, so you have to do the hard austerity. Otherwise, you are being so careless, so you cannot get that. Just performing to chanting 2, 3, 4 malas and it happens. No, it cannot be possible by it. You have to work so hard. You have to do the austerity, performing sadhan bhajan very hard. Very hard. Braj Gopi Bhag hoi besar. That you will get this kinds of bhav that I am the Braj Gopi. वाह हरि बोल वाह जय ललिते जय विशाखे जय राधा रानी ब्रज गोपी भाव होई बे सवार. So at that time spontaneously you will get this nature. You won't get any other bhav, that you will got only one bhav in your heart. Day and night you will remember all this bhav, that I am this gopi, I am the gopi. Braj Gopi Bhav, Hoy Be Savar, Braj Gopi Bhav. So and you will remember by performing the Nam Bhajan, you will realize this. It is written in the Padma Purana. कहाँ पहुँच गए?
समांतरे ब्रह्मोत्तम आरवम जावत महान्विते ब्रह्मोत्तर से लेकर के
from the Brahma Muhurat to night Maharatri. Maharatri means midnight. Down Madhyaratri, midnight. That is the midnight. So in this way they have this kinds of feelings. That's why he's saying. अरे मुझे क्या ये वही सही what मुझे क्या yes Sadashiv he's saying this katha to Radha Narad Rishi. Hey Narad, in this Prakata, O Narad, come contemplate your Swarup in the transcendental land of Vrindavan amidst Krishna's beloved themselves. So always in the Sadhadasha you should remember this, all these things. Atmanam Chinte Very nice, beautiful, very beautiful shlokas, very nice. मेरा अब ये पता तयो वाह महानिशी महानिशी in this way Atmachintan to Atmachintan. You are very well. Hari bol. Jai ho Gurudev ki jai, Shri Gurudev ki jai. Dekhar ho. Hare Chaturmukha Gurudev. Gurudev is starting this. Okay, and after this, okay.
No, about this midnight and Brahma.
He didn't explain anything. He said. Adavavanche achubhya paramahanse shishabali angikaraka. गाओ भाई शाम प्रभु Okay, you can come on the Hindi page for the Tulsi Puja. Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for tolerating me. Hari Bo. Gaur Premananda Hari Bo.